Hi, I'm Vanessa, and I'm really excited to be sharing this new program with you, which will take your dancing to the next level. In this program, we will be going over turns, transitions, and traveling steps and combinations. All of these things are what make our dancing interesting and dynamic. In my experience dancing in Egypt over the last, at this point now, 8 years, I've discovered that they need a dynamic sort of performer who's going to hold the attention of the people. These things are what I use now in my stage shows in Cairo. So in this program, we will introduce to you different traveling steps, which you can use in Oriental mise-en-scène piece. You can use them in choreographies with a group. You can use them in solos, duets. It will be very useful for all sorts of things, including folklore and ballet as well as Oriental. There are other steps which are specifically tailored for mise-en-scène entrance pieces, as well as a little bit of khaliji, which is a Gulf dance. There's a little bit of that mixed in there to give you the flavor. We have a little bit of Saidi inside one of the mise-en-scènes to give you a little bit of a combination of that also. So anytime you're dancing and you're not quite sure what to do, one of these turns, transitions, or traveling steps and combinations will be quite useful to you. I hope you enjoy.